Hey guys, it's Matt from Foamy Car Care. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble and use our foam cannon. Simply connect the pickup tube onto the foam cannon top. Now you're going to connect the foam cannon top onto the bottle. Your foam cannon is ready to be used. The foam cannon has a spray pattern adjustment at the front of the nozzle. On the very top of the foam cannon, there's a dial which allows you to adjust the thickness of the foam. Dial it all the way to the minus for the thickest foam. If your foam cannon cuts in and out, watch our tutorial video on how to switch out the orifice for higher PSI pressure washers. There you have it guys. That's how you assemble Foamy Car Care's foam cannon and how to use it. Happy cleaning!